Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by grounding yourself in organizing tools. This saves time and prevents damage. Once done, power down and remove all screws from the chassis, then lift the bottom plate carefully. Make sure to disconnect the battery first so no current flows while you work. You should photograph every connector and screw location for reassembly reference. Finally, use a plastic spudger to detach ribbon cables gently. Rushing here risks tearing connectors, so take steady, deliberate motions and confirm each clip is released. Once the board is accessible, unfasten mounting screws and lift the logic board while watching for hidden cables. You'll feel resistance if something is still connected. Make sure to remove shields and thermal pads to expose power stages and chips for inspection. You want to look for corrosion, lifted traces, or blown passive components because those are common failure points. Then, probe power rails and fuses with your multimeter. Identifying which rail is dead tells you whether to target a connector, MOSFET, or you now perform the repair. Solder or reflow the defective components, or replace the logic board with a verified donor if damage is extensive. Use controlled hot air and flux for neat joints. Once repaired, clean connectors with 90% plus isopropyl, reapply thermal compound to chips, and reassemble in reverse order, connecting the battery only after everything else is seated. If the Mac still won't power, compare voltage readings to a known good board to pinpoint the mismatch. That diagnostic comparison is the single most useful troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.